Hey, welcome to the Blue Garden. All right, I got a question to ask you guys. Why are you not watching my videos or commenting or even hitting that like button? Don't you like the video? What about the last one I put out there about putting the soil under the microscope? You didn't like that? You got to talk to me, all right? Because if you don't like it, you're not watching, then why am I doing these videos? All right, so on this video, you need to answer the question. Why are you not watching? What do you want to see? What you don't like about the channel? What you like about the channel? All right, because I'm getting feedback. What's the point? All right, so you need to jump on the comment section and start typing your little fingers away there. Tell me, what's the problem here? All right, got a quick one here. I'm going to be transplanting this herb. And this is the herb. So I got it soaking in water for 24 hours, roughly. Last night started there. I got sand. I got my bucket. I got my soil, nutritional soil. And I got a cocoa core. So when I put our cocoa core in our pot here, this is so it plugs up the holes on the bottom. Alright, I'm going to plug up those holes, and what I'm doing here, I wish you guys could see this. Alright, so here, hopefully this is a better view for you. You can see that. You can see how nice and rich the soil is. See that? And it has some earthworms in there. See that? A whole bunch of them. So that's right there, the nutritional value. Alright. So here's another good shot of it. See? Hope you can see that. Right there. See that? Alright, so this thing comes fully loaded. So basically what I'm going to do is put a little bit of sand in here. You can see how there is just a little bit. Before I mix it, I'm going to put it in our pot here. So I'm going to get that in there. Make sure I got a good view of it. Yep. Alright, so I put that in there. Put a little bit more sand. Now, the sand will create drainage, all right? So that's what we're using the sand for, drainage. And then also the sand works great for the worms, because they eat it and it's a little gritty for them. Something to bite down. Let's see, we have other stuff in there. Oh, it's our worm here. A little bit more sand. Now, the sand works the same as perlite. So, if you had perlite, you could use the perlite as well. Oh, this thing's just full of worms. Look at that. That's what you want. You want to have this inoculated with beneficial organisms. Remember, the worms put out worm castings. So this thing really full of them. A little bit more sand. So let me put some sand in here. There's no more sand. Alright, so let's put that in there. Okay. Make sure there's no worms. As you can see, this is good matter. Okay. You biodegrade in there. You can see how nice and moist the soil is. Now we are coming to September, and then coming to October and November. Hey, Super Tuesday, don't forget to vote, November 5th. So, there. Now, we have our plant right there. Again, this is a herb. It's used for eating. Alright, so we have this soaking. We soaked it in last night. I don't know, it's got more than 12 hours being soaking. Look at that. Beautiful. So we're gonna place that, cut a little slit. Put that in there. And there we go. That's all it takes. Now you gotta remember, this is gonna grow tall like this. So we need to have some support. Oh, I was gonna use something, but I think I found something better. Couple things. Now I was going to use this, but that's kind of tall. And look what I found, some homemade sticks. This would be okay, but it's a little short. And then this thing, if I just try to organize it, yeah, there. Let's see here. Pour that all the way down. There. You know, this it would grow up and would just have it follow the. I might have to cut it. I don't know, but Everything seems to be good. And then always remember to water it. There we go. And then once it gets taller and bigger, we strap it down to the wood stick here. And it's all finished. Alright, so there you go. We just transplanted this little herb into a pot. Next one we do would be the blueberry. This one. So again, I want to ask you, do you like these videos? Do you like the blue garden? Let me know, because my last two videos nobody watched. And what's the point if nobody's watching? You know, I'm just talking to myself. So you gotta write in the comments there. Tell me where you're from. You like the channel? No, you don't like it. This is what you don't like about it. This is what you like about the channel. You know, because if I don't hear anybody on this short video, that's it. I've been saying that, but I'm going to start another channel and forget about this. I'll still be doing gardening, but I'm not going to be recording it, and you're not going to be learning anything, especially about blueberries. Now, secret, I've been trying to get a machine that will make blueberry food, not fertilizer, blueberry food. It's about $5,000. All right, that's coming out of my pocket. I don't think so. It's a lot of money. So nobody's been donating to the channel. Nobody's been watching the channel, so I get no view hours, so I can't even make money off of YouTube because nobody's watching. Look at, you're watching this and you don't bother to hit the like button. You don't bother to leave a comment. What's the point? I'm getting tired of this. So that blueberry food, like I said, if I do pull the trigger on that, it's about roughly $5,000. It comes from China, where else? It's a big machine, and it's for making blueberry food. Now, yeah, I'm gonna be selling it, but I'm not gonna sell it to you guys because I'm gonna be making videos. I'm gonna sell it to the nurseries, local nurseries around. I'll be hosting little seminars in the parking lot, and that's what it is. I'm not gonna be recording because who's watching this? Every single video I watch it. So am I doing this for me? What's the point? Alright, so again, I need you guys to leave a comment. What you like about the channel? What you don't like about the channel? Who are you? I don't even know if there's anybody out there, tell you the truth. Nobody comments. Look at the last two videos I put up there. Good information. You guys don't care. Alright, so let me know.